Hey everyone, in this video we will look at how to exclude values from a certain visual in Power BI. So we will learn if, let's say, we're not interested in having a certain value in a visual, we can exclude that from the visual. So we'll just learn how to do it. I've got a Power BI desktop open here with me with some visuals, and I've also got this file loaded here. It's called Exclude Categories during data analysis. And you can probably download it and do the video with me. I'll leave a link to this in the video notes so you can download the file as well. So let's start. So let's say I've got these visuals and I've got the pie graph visual, and let me just put it into focus mode. So it's got data, so it's got sales by countries, and for some reason I think I don't want to include Canada in my analysis. What I could probably do, let me go back, and I could just right click on Canada and say exclude, and you can see automatically it excludes Canada. So I could exclude France as well, and then I could exclude Germany and so on. So you can see, and you can see the filters, they keep getting added on to the visual level filter. So you can see it's excluded 3 values, and if you remove this, you can automatically see all these values as well. So exclude, and then you can remove the filter. I will take up how to use include in the next video. This one was specifically if you're doing any, so for example, if you've got this visual and you think 2014 is a fairly poor year, you don't want to include it. So you can just go and hit exclude, and you can see that it's got data for these 3 years and it's excluded 2011. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.